Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how to capitalize on big trends on YouTube in order to make $100,000 a month on YouTube without uploading any videos. The channel we'll be looking at today that does this same exact method that I'll be explaining in this video is Flare TV. He was quick to capitalize on the T-Series vs PewDiePie drama. Quick background info on it. T-Series is about to take over the #1 most subscribed YouTuber, PewDiePie, in sub count. With the amount of subs and views both channels have, it's very easy to turn their audience into yours by just uploading clickbait live streams. In 3 weeks, Flare TV has gotten 116 million views by just live streaming T-Series and PewDiePie's sub count. Now we will look at the exact numbers Flare TV pulls by looking him up on Social Blade. As you can see, he has gotten 52 million views with an additional 268,000 subscribers in the last 30 days by just uploading a live stream of the two biggest channels' sub count. Flare's TV CPM is $2 per 1,000 views. Let's go to the calculator app and figure out his exact profit for the last 30 days. So if we take 52 million views divided by every 1,000 views gets paid $2. As you can see, Flare TV has made over $10,000 profit for uploading just one live stream. Very simple live stream. Now, I bet you're asking yourself, if it's so simple, why doesn't this kid just do it instead of talking about it? Well, the answer is quite simple. The train for this trend has left a long time ago. There's too many people doing it right now, but my plan is for the next trend that comes out, I will start live streaming it on a separate channel of mine to hopefully generate the amount of views this guy does, and with views comes profit. Now you may be asking yourself, how do I live stream? I will not be getting into this video, but to help you guys out, I'll show you a very good life hack. Go to youtube.com, look up how to live stream on YouTube. There you go. Thousands of videos will pop up just for you. The reason why I won't be getting into it is because I want to make a short and quick video today. But tomorrow I will be back to the usual uploads. Thank you.